if a very healthy sleep happens, if an individual is able to take a very healthy sleep around 9 a.m. 9 p.m. and this 9 p.m. sleep actually gets triggered around 8 to 8:30 if the individual is able to take the dinner around 6 to 6:30, and morning it should be a very heavy breakfast, and those who skip the breakfast will become obese, and those who actually take a brunch, their bodies will suggest them to store lot of fat, because they might be like, excuse me, thinking of like, whole night I didn't get any food. What if this person does not give me the food again? So let me store this. Even he did not give me food in the morning after the whole day, whole night waiting. So I will store this and I will save this individual. But in order to uh, prevent such sort of activity of the body, one should assure himself or herself that they will not skip their breakfast, and also upon that they should have a very healthy breakfast and a very heavy breakfast. And this can be according to their body nature. Not everyone should be taking sprouts, not everyone should be taking oil food, not everyone should be taking like dry food, not everyone should be taking the fruits as their breakfast. So there are like body types, like I have mentioned in the very first video, 7 types of prakritis are there. According to that, there are like like very healthy breakfasts mentioned in the Vedas. Coming to the water, it should be a very healthy water which is like medicated. You can actually refer for the medicated water in the upcoming like already existing link. um, this medicated water actually detoxifies the entire 24 hours, whatever the toxic substances that are existing in your body, and these detoxification processes will empower one individual to get a very very healthy progeny. Coming to the sleep, sleep should be a minimum 6 to 8 hours. For some particular individuals with Vata Prakriti and Vata dominant nature, they have to have a healthy sleep up to 8 hours. Some people it will be 6 hours enough. And if you are having a very high energy level, 4 hours is also very good enough. There are many gurus who are actually teaching how to effectively sleep well and effectively utilize your day by sleeping less, to have a very healthy sleep within a very short period of time, like 4 hours. You can have great energies in terms of the food you take, in terms of the thoughts you make, in terms of the meditations you do, in terms of the breathing exercises that you take, and the significance that you give to keep your healthy body running without getting exhausted, and keeping you on all the time. So coming to the next part, of the Triyopa Samba,